Hey guys, Dave here. I love dips for snacks, picnics, and barbecues, but one of my all-time favorites is hummus. That's why I decided to make up some fast and easy chickpea hummus. A simply delicious delight you're going to love, so let me show you how to do this. The first thing you want to do is grab up about a 15 or 17 ounce can of chickpeas and add them to a bowl. Then pour some water over top of them, I would say about 2 inches over the top, just enough to cover them and then some. Stick your hand in and kind of twirl and swirl them around, and here's what you're going to notice. You're going to notice some little skins that are going to come off the top. And you really don't want these because they're quite fibrous and they add a texture to the hummus that you really don't want. In other words, it's not quite as creamy as it would be unless you remove the skins. You don't have to, but I always take the extra 5 or 10 minutes to do this. So after the skins are removed, just kind of go ahead and scoop them out with a spoon. So as another example, these are the skins that you do not want. Okay, I've gone ahead and drained my chickpeas, so I'm going to add them to the bowl of a food processor. Continuing along the lines of food processors, this video was brought to you by the good folks at Magiccos. And the unit I'm using today in this video is their newest FP417 model. The simplistic and easy 1-knob switch can control the speed with a pulse and 2-speed function. A 700-watt motor provides more than enough pulsing power. One of the most impressive features is an extra-large work bowl and opening. It has an easy-to-use locking lid, protective cover, and a safety feature to ensure the unit won't turn on unless the bowl is locked down. This unit has a large feed chute providing more than enough room for medium potatoes and large blocks of cheese. The chute is long, durable, and has an easy-to-use plunger. The FP417 comes with a blade holder, a strong, durable chopping blade, a dough blade for making all those wonderful pies and pastries, and its stronger half-metal drive shaft can withstand heavy loads such as shredding frozen mozzarella cheese. The FP417 also comes with thick and thin slicing blades, a fine shredding blade, a coarse shredding blade for carrots and other vegetables, and of course a French fry blade for those commonly sought-after homemade fries. All of these blades are easily interchangeable from the blade holder. All in all, the FP417 is one of my all-time favorite food processors. I highly recommend it. It comes at a reasonable price, and I will put all of the links in the description. Getting back to our hummus, after our chickpeas, I'm going to add in about a 1/4 cup of tahini. Depending on how creamy you want it, maybe a little bit more, and you can pick this up in just about any grocery store. A good-sized clove of garlic. If you wanted a little more garlicky, add 2 or 3. A dusting of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon. Next, about 6 tablespoons of olive oil, really depending again on how creamy you want it. Lastly, cut a good-sized lemon in half and just go ahead and squeeze that juice in. There is nothing nicer than fresh lemon juice. Lock the lid down and put our Magiccos to the test. And my oh my friends, this is processing up absolutely perfectly. I'd say about 2 or 3 minutes to get at the perfect texture. And this is about the texture I like right here. If you want it a little more creamy, add some olive oil or a splash of water and process it again. Alrighty then, let's go ahead and add our hummus to a bowl. Now what I've done here is made some little swirls with the back of a spoon, and I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil into those swirls just to make it a little more fancy and tasty. A dusting of smoked paprika, a little hit of black pepper, and last but not least, we'll just garnish our hummus with some chopped parsley. And there you have it, my friends, our simple and easy chickpea hummus made with the Magiccos food processor. Oh, doesn't this look absolutely fantastic? Wow. And believe me, you give this a taste and it is superb. Probably one of the best, the best hummus dips I've ever had. It's simply a must try, guys. And as I say in every video, if you're so inclined, give us a like because it does help us out. And don't forget to subscribe and check out the Magiccos food processor in the description with all the links below.